The P1000 code is one of the most misunderstood diagnostic codes in Ford vehicles. Unlike traditional fault codes, P1000 is purely informational. This code indicates that your vehicle's onboard diagnostic system hasn't completed all its required self-diagnostic tests, known as readiness monitors. Readiness monitors are self-diagnostic tests that check various emissions-related systems in your vehicle. The OBD system must complete these tests before it can verify everything is working properly. P1000 typically appears after specific events that reset the vehicle's diagnostic memory. The most common cause is battery disconnection or replacement, which erases all stored readiness data. P1000 is directly related to emissions testing. Most states require readiness monitors to be complete before a vehicle can pass emissions inspection. This ensures all pollution control systems are verified as working properly. Remember, P1000 is informational, not a fault. It simply means your Ford's diagnostic system needs more time to complete its self-tests. This is normal after battery service or system resets. The most effective way to resolve P1000 is through a comprehensive drive cycle. This systematic approach ensures all diagnostic monitors complete their required tests. Start with a cold engine below 122 degrees Fahrenheit. Follow with 15 minutes of city driving between 20 and 40 miles per hour. Then 20 minutes of highway driving at 45 to 65 miles per hour. Finish with gradual deceleration and a 5-minute idle period. For faster results, professional diagnostic tools like Ford's integrated diagnostic system can accelerate the readiness process, especially on newer Ford models from 2020 and later. Use an OBD2 scanner to monitor readiness status in real time. The scanner connects to your vehicle's diagnostic port and shows which monitors have completed their tests with green check marks. Before attempting any reset method, ensure there are no pending fault codes or underlying system issues that could prevent monitors from completing. Allow adequate time in varied driving conditions for best results. Recent Ford models feature enhanced diagnostic capabilities that complete readiness cycles much faster, often within 25 to 50 miles of varied driving, thanks to improved powertrain control module software. Remember, P1000 resolution requires patience and proper driving conditions. Most cases resolve within 100 miles of mixed driving when following these proven methods.